Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you guys a few minutes of a day in my life. Alright, today it's actually Monday the 12th and the date is 12th January 2026 and it's Monday. So I got an account that I'm trading this year. So last week I supposed to make a weekly breakdown of the trades I took, but because I was so busy I was not at home, so I couldn't make that video. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, my name is Merlin and I document my journey right here on this YouTube channel. I share my wins and losses, everything on this YouTube channel. So if you're interested, do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. Alright, so last week was a profitable week. It was a profitable week, of course, but earlier this morning I took a trade when I was in the church, so I could not record it on BTC and it was a loss. Right, this was the first loss for the week, but currently I'm also looking at some pairs. Without wasting much time, let's just head over to my system so I can show you guys the trades I'm currently looking at and also show you guys how the account has gone. I've been on drawdown, but I'm coming up gradually. I've already told you guys this year is going to be a profitable year for sure, so stay tuned guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's just go to our system right away without wasting much time. Alright, what's up guys, so this is the trade BTC and it was a buy trade. Fortunately it did not go as planned. This was the 5 minutes. After stopping me out, you can see that price went straight to my take profit before even dropping down. Alright, and currently still on the 5 minute, price is bouncing off a demand zone right here, but I'm not looking forward to buy on the 5 minutes. When we come to the 1 hour, we can see there is a demand zone right below it right here, and I've placed my limit order right here. And I'm also looking at gold to see if I'm gonna get a setup on gold. Gold has been bullish and gold has broken structure right here. When you look closely, you can see that gold has broken structure, so I'm waiting for gold to retest back on this zone right here, then I will buy. And currently this is the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, I'm also looking at US30 to buy. I'm looking at buy on US30. So currently we are almost at our setup right here. I'm looking at US30 to buy. So these are the current trades I'm currently looking at, and once they trigger I'm going to let you guys know. Also, I'm looking at Ethereum. To buy Ethereum. So don't worry guys, my camera is not clear, but hopefully I'm gonna get a new phone soon. So I'm looking at Ethereum right here, and all of these trade signals I've already sent them into my Telegram channel. I sent them into my Telegram channel right here. You can check my Telegram channel, link will be in the description, or you can check the link on my bio. Alright, so these are the trades I'm currently looking at, and once they trigger I'm going to let you guys know. Those are all the trades I'm currently looking at, and once they trigger I'm gonna definitely put it in this video or put it in the next video to show you guys how it is. I'm just going to show you guys the account on my phone right here, but before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. Turn on post notification bell. I've been feeling kind of weird and unmotivated to post. Even last week I wanted to do a video on Saturday, but I was not chanced. I was not even at home, so I was unable to do the video. Yesterday, which was Sunday, I wanted to record, but immediately I came back from church I was feeling so sleepy. I had to sleep. When I woke up it was already late, so I had to do this video right now, and it's currently about 1:35 p.m. and I woke up since. I was just contemplating on how to do it. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, please do well to support me by liking this video and subscribing to this YouTube channel, and thank you for doing that. For all my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you. I really appreciate you also. The challenge is I'm gonna give you guys the update on the challenge soon. It's gonna be a wonderful one. So if you want me to go ahead with that challenge, you can comment in the comment section if you actually want me to go on with the challenge, and it's going to really help a new beginner, especially new beginners traders. It's going to help you guys very well. So if you want trade signals, you can check the link on my bio to join my Telegram channel, and also I share my trade signals right there. Alright, without wasting much time, let me show you guys the account on my phone. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So what's up guys, this is the account, and you can see this is $2,459, and you can see my trade history for the last 3 months, and you can be looking to also buy USD/JPY. I'm looking at it to buy NAS 100. I'm looking at it to also buy Euro SND2. I'm looking at it to also buy. So yeah, these are the trades. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notification bell so that I get notified whenever I post a video like this. So this is the account. I've already told you guys this year is going to be a prosperous year. You're going to make cash out and you're going to make payouts. So don't forget to follow this account and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be part of the journey.